Okay. See what it says, man.
Through a mile of miles, they've been out here already, huh?
Yes, sir, they have.
Yeah, we're trying to catch up with them. We're gonna meet up. We already talked. We're gonna meet up.
They're a cool group of guys, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Oh, Barry.
Brian, yeah. Very confident.
Oh yeah, man. Right out here, Waxahachie, Texas, man. Boy, Ricky Hutton. Hutton? Sutton. See, look at me. Don't know what I'm talking about. Get you right. All the way set up. Whatever bike you choose, whatever style you ride, he got something for you, man.
Like I said, you know CRUZ already.
These bad boys. Oh my. Oh my. But that one right there coming with me.
Put this thing in place.
Oh yeah. Put them some nice looking pipes, man. So y'all hit him up. Check him out. Again, no matter what you riding, he got something for you.
Yeah. I don't do everything, but if you go to rlsexhaust.com, you'll see that I offer stuff all the way back to 1999. High Booster, Big 14, all different bikes.
All the way back to 99.
Yes, sir. If you don't see it on there, call me.
See what this thing sound like after this. So, Preacher Ryker, tell me how you feel knowing that your bike's not gonna be the loudest bike anymore.
Say, I ain't gonna hate on none of y'all, but I'm gonna let y'all know, Preacher Ryker, with that assassin, I'm still gonna make some noise on y'all. Y'all just gotta come with it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, hey, don't get offended if y'all see Preacher come past y'all. You know, YouTube, hey, y'all just watch this video. I don't know if CRUZ gonna throw it on, but y'all will see me pass him up. You know,
Okay.
y'all see. You know,
I was just trying to make sure you knew how to get here, man. I ain't want you to take a wrong turn.
Hey,
But
I
hey,
know how to call Ricky. I know how to call him.
hey, man, I grew up out here. I hit these back roads, man. Hey, y'all out in no man's land.
Letters, man.
Huh?
Tire graphics, and you can say, you can put it whatever you want to put on your bike. Yeah, you want to put your name or your club name or whatever you want to put.
Tire graphics.
He can tell you by the letter, like
Is that number 407 900? Is that what it is? Oh, that's the wrong one.
hold up. I'm clicking on his website right here. He got a website. He also sells like a tire
Is
cleaner.
it the graphics?
Ooh-wee, man.
CX at the end?
Right here, bro.
Can't wait to crank that up, man. Oh, we, man.
He sells little spiders and stuff.
Man, but them, you see the other ones he made, the new ones? Ooh-wee, man. That's what I told him. He said them prototypes. He just made them. Yeah.
Yo, you know I gotta go.
Yeah, you came right in time.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna ask him, do we make something that's like a little quieter though? Yeah, he probably.
Do this thing too.
All the way installed. Double pipes with the low profile, you know. Just there, so you know. Let's see what we got, man. Let's crank it, buddy. All right. That's nice. That's nice. I like that.
What you think?
Oh man, I'm just ready to leave Preacher in the dust. That's all. I'm just ready to leave him in the dust. Blow some exhaust in his face. Boom. Up here in the science lab, man. Do you money? Do a little work on the bike today, man. We're gonna throw some LEDs in here. Throw the LEDs in here.
My wife gonna make some hot water. Got some hot chocolate.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, it's cold out here.
He said he's gonna make some hot chocolate.
And we're gonna start with these right here, man. Do these end links real quick before we do all the electrical stuff. Seem easy enough. Get right back to okay, man. I don't know. I got the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. About the actual GoPro adapter. About the microphone from the end. I still can't get my mic to work. I don't know what the situation is, but it is what it is. This is us, you know, me, Big Mike, Doc, flipping out, you know. Check him out on YouTube. He got the new channel, Flipping Out. And yeah, man, it's just us leaving Preacher house. Preacher Ryker 123. You know what it is, man. Texas Ryker boys, man. And yeah, y'all getting it live in effect. Like I said, each video getting better, editing getting better, hopefully the commentary getting better, but we're gonna get this mic situation resolved soon enough, man. We're gonna get it resolved, but until then, hey, we're gonna make the best of what we got. And yeah, so just a quick little run with everybody bikes lit up for right now, you know. Still got more we want to do, and I'm just glad y'all still here with us, man. Any kind of info y'all want to add, anything y'all want to say, feel free to do so, man, and I try to make them changes for y'all, man. But until then, it's life on Rikers, and it's your boy CRUZ. Now watch me zoom off on Big Mike.
I'm pleased with that. Oh yeah, 100%. Good day.